Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Code with Surya Official. In today's video, we will be building an awesome 404 error page using HTML and Tailwind CSS. Not only will you learn how to create a stylish error page, but I will also walk you through how to implement CSS animations to make your page more attractive. This project is fully responsive. I will show you in the mobile screen. If I select iPhone 14 Pro Max, this looks absolutely awesome. You can see this animation and this button as well. And if I change to Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, here also this looks absolutely nice. So this is the awesome project that we are going to build today. If you are new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you are ready, then let's get started. Now I am in the Visual Studio Code editor. I already created a folder, name is error page. Inside this folder I am going to create our HTML file, and our HTML file name is index.html. To create the HTML boilerplate, need to write exclamation mark plus enter, so you can see HTML boilerplate has been generated. In this project we are going to use Tailwind CSS, so let's check for the Tailwind documentation. So let's search here tailwindcss.com, and this is the official documentation for Tailwind. So let's click this get started button, and from there I'm going to click this play CD and tab, and if I come down, so I need to copy this script tag and go back to the Visual Studio Code editor, and after this title tag need to paste it here. So first change this title to error page, and let me close this sidebar. So let's start writing our HTML code. So let's create a div, and the class name is width is full, height is screen, py is 8 for the mobile screen, and for the medium screen py is 16, and text color should be text gray 900. Okay, and it is a flex box, so need to write display flex items center and justify center. And inside this div I'm going to create another div, and here class is display is flex direction is column, and items is center, width is full, and px is 8 for the mobile screen, and for the medium screen px is 40, and the gap should be 8 for the mobile screen, and for the medium screen gap should be 16. Okay, and inside this div I'm going to create a h1 tag. Here I need to put 404 error. Okay, so save it, and to run this HTML file need to click this go live button from this Visual Studio Code editor. So you can see here this is our text. Okay, so let's go back to the Visual Studio Code editor and start writing class for this h1 tag. So let me write a class text 9xl for the mobile screen, and for the medium screen text should be 320 pixel. Okay, and width will be full, and text should be center, and text color should be gray 400. So save it and check it in the browser. So this is our text. Okay, this looks fine, but I need to change the font family, so font is black. So save it and check it in the browser. So now this looks absolutely awesome. Okay, but here I can able to select this text, but I don't want to select this text. So for that need to write select is none, select is none. Okay, so save it and check it in the browser. So now you can see if I double click and if I want to select, then you can see I can't able to select. Okay, so this looks absolutely awesome. So let's go back to the Visual Studio Code editor. So after this h1 tag need to create a paragraph tag. Okay, so here text should be oops page not found. So save it and check it in the browser. So here is the text. So for that, let me write a class. So text should be for Excel and font weight is bold. Okay, so save it and check it in the browser. So this is the text. So here it is typo. So let me change to oops. So save it and check it in the browser. So this looks fine, but I need to change this text to uppercase. So let me write uppercase. So save it and check it in the browser. So this looks fine. Okay. So let's go back to the Visual Studio Code editor. So after this paragraph tag, need to create another paragraph tag, and the text is so this is the text. Okay, so save it and check it in the browser. So this is the description. So let's go back to the Visual Studio Code editor and let's create a class. And class should be text is to Excel, and font is medium, and need to create a break words, and text is dual. Okay, so save it and check it in the browser. So here is the text. Unfortunately, this is only a 404 page. You may have mistyped the address or the page has been moved to another URL. Okay, great. Okay, so this is the description. So below this description, need to create a button for the previous page and for the go back to the home page. Okay, so let's do it quickly. After this paragraph tag, need to create a div, and inside this div, need to create a anchor tag. So href is hash, and here text is go back to previous page. Okay, so save it and check it in the browser. So here is the text, go back to previous page. Okay, so let me create a class for this anchor tag, and it is rounded and flex, display is flex, width is full for the mobile screen, and for the medium screen width is fit. So save it and check it in the browser. So here it is. Okay, so I need to put a background color here. Okay, so for that, border is 2 and border color is sky 500. So here is the button. Okay, so I need to put some padding here. So padding is 3 for the mobile screen, and for the medium screen padding will be 6. So save it and check it in the browser. So this looks fine, but I need to change the text. Okay, so for that, need to write here font is semi bold, and if I hover over this text, then border color should be changed to background color. So bg sky 500. So save it and check it in the browser. You can see this looks fine, but I need to change the text color as well. So for that, again hover, and text color should be changed to white color. Save it and check it. So you can see, now you can see this text color also changed to white color. Okay, fine, but I need to put a scale here. Hover, scale should be changed to 105. Okay, so after that, I need to put a icon here. So for that, need to go for the font awesome CDN. So this is the official website for this font awesome CDN. So let me click this copy link tag, and go back to the Visual Studio Code Editor and let me paste it below this title tag. Okay, so font awesome CDN has been linked. Okay, so let me write here in this area, need to create a I tag. So I have to search font awesome library. So if I click this font awesome link, this is the official documentation for this font awesome. Let me click this icon menu, and from there I have to search home icon. So this is the home icon. If I click this home, it will show a pop-up. Let me click this code snippet and it is copied. So before this go back, I need to paste it here. Okay, so you can see FA solid, FA house. Okay, so save it and check it in the browser. Icon is coming here. Okay, great. But you can see here, this icon and this text is not in the same line. Okay, so for that I need to write here after this flex, item is center, save it and check it. The icon and text is in the same line, but I need to put some gap here. So let me write a gap here. Gap is 4. So save it and check it. So now you can see this looks absolutely awesome. So this is the first button. So let's create for the second button. So let me copy this anchor tag and paste it below. Okay, and instead of go back to previous page, here I need to write go back to home page. Okay, so save it and check it in the browser. So this is the second button. Okay, but here I did a mistake. That previous button icon, home icons changed to left arrow. So for that need to search it here, left arrow. Okay, and if I come down, here it is, arrow left, and if I click this code snippet and paste it here. Okay, so save it and check it in the browser. So now I can see this looks fine, but I need to change this home button color. So the border color is rose 500, and if I hover over this button, then here also it should be changed to rose. Okay, so bg rose 500. Save it and check it in the browser. So if I hover over this button, then you can see this looks absolutely awesome. Okay, but what I have to do is this go back to the previous button should be coming in the left hand side, and this go back to the home page is coming in the right hand side. So for that I have already created a div here, and I need to create a class. Display is flex, and a flex direction is column for the mobile screen, and for the medium screen flex direction is row. Okay, and justify is between. Okay, and width is full. Okay, so save it and check it in the browser. So you can see this looks absolutely awesome. Okay, so after that I need to show in the mobile screen. Okay, so if I show it, there is no gap for these two buttons. Okay, so for that I need to write here gap is 8 for the mobile screen, and for the medium screen gap will be 16. Okay, so save it and check it in the browser. So now this looks absolutely awesome. Okay, so let me show in the bigger screen. So here it is. Okay, so I think this should be changed to 32. Save it and check it. Now you can see this looks absolutely awesome. And the last thing is I need to put some animation here, CSS animation for this 404 page. Okay, so for that I need to create a style tag here. After this link, need to create a style tag, and here need to create a class, and the class name is status animation. Okay, and here need to write the animation. So animation, so here it is 5 second each in out. After that, need to create a keyframe here. So at the rate keyframes, and the identifier name is float, and here it is. If it is 0%, then translate y should be 0 pixel. Okay, here it is a typo. So after that, need to copy this 0 and paste it for 2 times, and when it is a 50%, this translate y should be changed to -20 pixel. Okay, and if it is a 100%, again it is translate y should be 0 pixel. Okay, great. So let me copy this animation class. So animation class name is status animation, and if I come down in the h1 tag, I need to paste it here. Okay, after this select none. So save it and check it in the browser, so you can see here. So here is a mistake. So this animation is happened for only one time, but I need to do it for a infinite times. Okay, so for that, again I have to go back to the CSS. After this is in out, I need to put it infinite. Okay, save it and check it in the browser, so you can see now this animation is happened for the infinite times. Okay, great. So let me check it for the mobile screen as well. So if I check it here, then you can see here also this looks absolutely awesome. Okay, so this is fine. So here also if I hover it, then you can see this previous page button and home page button. This looks fine. So this is all about this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really motivates me. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Code with Surya Official. Till then, keep smiling and happy coding. See you in the next video.